Look at the following question. Razia completes 3 by 7 part of her homework while Rekha completed 4 by 9 of it. Who has completed the lesser part? Who has completed the lesser part? So this question is related to the comparison of fractions, and we have to find that whether 3 by 7 or 4 by 9, which one is smaller fraction. For finding smaller fractions, we have to compare the fractions. For comparing fractions, we have to equalize the denominators. We have to equalize the denominators. If the denominators are equal, we can easily compare the given fractions. So now equalize the given fractions. So that is, the given fractions are unlike fractions, and we have to convert these unlike fractions to like fractions. This question is related to comparison of fractions. Now we have to compare the given two fractions. Given fractions 3 by 7 and 4 by 9. These two fractions are unlike fractions. Now we have to convert these unlike fractions to like fractions. These two fractions are unlike fractions. How can we say that these fractions are unlike? By observing the denominators. Denominators are not equal. That's why the given two fractions are unlike fractions. 3 by 7 into 9 by 9. Why? Because 3 by 7, here denominator is 9. We have to multiply and divide with 9. That's way denominators equal, and here also 9 is there, and you have to multiply and divide with this one. Look at that. 3 nines 27 and 7 nines 64. 27 by 63, one fraction, and second fraction is 4 by 9. So here denominator is 7. You have to multiply and divide with this denominator, and you will get 4 sevens 28 and 9 sevens 63. Now look at the fractions. In both the fractions, denominator is equal. Look at here, denominator is 63. Here also denominator 63. So denominators are equal. That means given unlike fractions converted into like fractions. Now we have to compare these two. Denominators are equal, therefore we have to compare only numerators. So in numerators, which one is bigger, that fraction is bigger fraction. By comparing 27 28, 27 is less than 28. So that means 27 by 63 is less than 28 by 63. We have to use less than symbol here. 27 by 63 less than 28 by 63. This 27 by 63 is with respect to first fraction. Okay, therefore 3 by 7 is lesser fraction. That means Razia complete